In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram feed in your Shopify theme. By the end, you'll have your latest Instagram posts pulling into your store, adding fresh social proof and a little personality to your pages. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, head to the Apps area and choose the option to add a new app. When the prompt appears, open the Shopify App Store. In the App Store search bar, type Instafeed. You're looking for the app called Instafeed, Instagram Feed. Open its page to review the details, then proceed with the Add App or Install option. Shopify will show a quick permissions screen so the app can connect to your store. Confirm the install to continue. If you manage multiple stores, just double-check you're installing on the correct one before you approve. Once the install completes, you'll land on the Instafeed setup inside your Shopify admin. The first thing the app asks you to do is connect your Instagram account, which is what allows it to import your posts. Click the Connect Your Instagram Account button, then choose Connect with Instagram. A secure Instagram authorization window will open. Approve the requested permissions so the app can read your media. If you manage more than one Instagram profile, make sure you select the right one for your brand. If a pop-up blocker stops the authorization window from opening, allow pop-ups temporarily and try again. After authorization, Instafeed will begin pulling in your most recent posts. Give it a moment to sync. You'll usually see a preview right in the app so you can confirm everything looks correct. If your Instagram is a business or creator account, you'll have the most reliable connection and access to extra features, but a personal account works for a basic feed as well. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts in Instafeed to finalize the initial setup. The app is designed to guide you through any quick choices, like basic layout and default display options, so you can get a clean, grid-style feed ready without extra configuration. If you ever need to change permissions or switch accounts later, you can return to the app's settings to reconnect. That's it. You installed Instafeed from the Shopify App Store, approved the connection, and linked your Instagram so your posts can display on your storefront. If something doesn't show right away, refresh your admin and confirm the correct account is connected. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the boost your new Instagram